I'll show you how to edit short captions in CapCut on your phone. First, open the app, add a video or photo, and then add text. Now, let's explore editing options. First, open CapCut, as you can see here, and add a video or photo. Now, let's move to adding text, carefully placing it where you want. Once you've added and typed a short text, hit OK. Now, what can you do next? Explore options to edit, adjust fonts, colors, and styles to enhance your creation. You can tap here or while typing your text, as you can see here, to edit immediately without any delay or interruption. Tap here to edit the caption, as you can see here, and continue. For example, if you have a specific style in mind, explore font and color options to match your vision perfectly. If you want a specific font, there are options here. Fonts, animations, and effects are available to enhance your video. You can also delete the text entirely, as you can see here, and customize everything to your needs, adding animations and effects to enhance your video. As I mentioned, add effects to enhance creativity. Thanks for watching, good luck, and goodbye to everyone.